slay, slay, slay. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Pick a style, pick a style, pick a style, pick. You want a firm, come on. You want braids, come on. You want bundles, come on. You want to learn, come on.
This is a full lace. This is a deep wave 20-inch full lace wig, and this is from my brand. Oh, get it. This is from hairbyerickaJ.com, and I'm just taking some makeup, some foundation concealer. It's a cream foundation concealer, and I'm just taking it and putting it on my cap. I spray some of the Gots to Be gel holding spray on the cap, typically because some foundation, some makeup in general has oil in it, and I don't want it, I don't want the install to lift up due to the oil. So I'm just spraying the holding spray on it because the holding spray has alcohol in it, and the alcohol just makes it stick better. That's just my theory. However, I'm just taking the Bold Hold Active, putting 3 layers, and moving on to the next step. The purpose of this video is to show you guys some new techniques. I showed the melting process on many of my videos, so I'm not going to really get in depth with that, but we're really going to be focusing on melting the lace and getting it to really melt in your skin. So please stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you leave a comment down below. And at the end of this video, I know your mind is going to be blown, and I hope you go and purchase these products that I'm about to share with you guys. These are some brand new tricks of mine, so make sure you stay tuned to see what I'm about to pull out of my bag of magic. Take a small fine tooth comb like you see me doing and go ahead and just comb backwards. Then you're just going to cut down the middle and start to cut the excess lace off. You see how crooked my cutting is? That's the look that you want to go for. This is going to give you the most natural results. Cutting straight across is going to look very wiggy. Continue to take the blow dryer and melt the glue down on a warm setting. Once you take the hair out that are going to mimic your baby hair, you're going to take the lace tint of your color, of your skin tone, and start to spray. I know that you guys usually see me doing this before the lace is applied, but I've been trying this step off camera for the past few weeks, and I love this method, so I chose to share it with you guys. You want to spray one section at a time, then blow dry on warm or on heat, and then move on to the next section. This is what it looks like. This is what the lace looks like before. This is a light brown lace. All of my laces come in a light brown, unless it's specified as transparent. And this is what the lace looks like on the other side that I have tinted, and I've blow dried it, and it's dry and it's all set down. You see how well it blends with my skin? Like I said, I love this method, and I think you guys should try it out. Now I'm taking an elastic band. You can buy this from Walmart. You can go to Joann's, Michael's, any one of your local craft stores and buy an elastic band. And you're just going to tie it around your head like you would your headscarf or your head wrap, and just blow dry that on warm or heat as well. And look how well and amazing that melt is. Like, just look at that. You guys have to try this. You absolutely have to try it. Once that step is complete, you're going to go ahead and start to cut your baby hair. You can cut them as short or as long as you want. The shorter you cut them, the more natural they will appear. And finally, what I've been holding off for the past few weeks as well, my grand secret. I have my very own styling foam, and I am so happy about this. I know you guys are going to love it. It smells so good. It molds the hair so nicely. It makes the curls pop. But I'm not going to sit here and keep bragging, on my own self, on my own product. I'm going to let my work and the product speak for itself. I also have some other products dropping very soon, so stay tuned for that as well. creating your baby hair are something that you have to play around with. It may not get done, it may not be right on the first try, but you can just keep on trying, keep on swooping them, keep on swerving them, keep on combing them, keep on doing what you got to do until you get the look that you want. Once you get the look that you want, you can go ahead and wrap them down, blow dry them on warm or on heat. And if you have a sit under dryer, I recommend that as the number one option, to sit down underneath the dryer and allow the the hair to mold, the baby hair to mold. Whatever you're molding down, I recommend to sit under dryer. But if you don't have that, you can use the handheld dryer. It'll give you the same effect. Once you do that and they're dry and they're molded, boom, bow, ow, wow, yes ma'am, look at that melt. Look at those baby hair, honey. You're going to take a fine tooth comb and go ahead and comb those out if you want a soft, natural look. If you want to keep them like this, you can. My preference is to comb them out so they look very soft and very natural. And that's pretty much it. You can add your finishing touches on your style as desired, whether you want to do a ponytail, you want to keep it down, whether you want to flip it to one side, whatever you want to do, however you want to style your hair. But I just really wanted to share this with you guys before I did my release. I wanted to show you guys how it worked on camera, and I hope to see you guys purchasing this, and I know you're going to love it. And this is the end of my install. See you guys next time.